Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you recipe of green goddess soup. It's a vibrant soup packed with everything you need to nourish your body. It's high in natural plant protein and all the fresh herbs boost the immunity. Isn't it worth to enjoy this soup? Let's get started with few cloves of garlic and one medium onion. Chop well and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and add onions and garlic into it and saute well. Till it gets sauteed, let's cut 50 grams of coriander. As the onions are sauteed, add 2 cups of vegetable stock, add 100 grams of spinach, few mint leaves, add chopped coriander too, and 1 cup of green peas. Green peas are good source of plant protein. Stir it well and cover the lid for some time. Now add some rock salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, half tablespoon chili flakes. Stir it well and now shred half small coin of ginger. Cover it for some time. Blend it with hand mixture. Bring it to boil. Now add 1.5 cup of coconut milk on a low heat and stir it well. Yay, your soup is ready to enjoy. Serve hot, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds and roasted or fried garlic. Add some love and enjoy. Eat it. Thank you.